Hey guys! Today I'll show you how long the first transaction takes in Elevate Pay. So let's get started. In this video, we'll break down the processing time for your first transaction in Elevate Pay, so you know exactly what to expect when sending or receiving money. First of all, the timing depends on the country, currency, and the method you're using. Also, your very first transaction can sometimes take slightly longer due to initial verification, but once everything is set up correctly, transfers are usually fast. Let's start with Pakistan. If you're sending money in PKR and all your details are correct, the payment usually arrives on the same day. However, if there's any mistake in the bank details, it may take up to 1 business day for the money to be returned. Now for Bangladesh. If you're using a bank transfer, payments sent before 12 p.m. from Sunday to Thursday will arrive on the same business day. If you send after that time, it will arrive the next business day. But if you're using Bcash, the transfer is almost instant and arrives in real time as long as the details are correct. For Egypt, it depends on the currency. If you're sending an EGP, payments sent before 6 p.m. from Sunday to Thursday usually arrive the same day. After that time, they are processed on the next business day. If you're sending in USD, then the transfer normally arrives on the next business day, even if sent before the cutoff time. In Sri Lanka, transactions are very fast. Payments usually arrive in real time if all the information is correct. And for Europe, using SEPA transfers, payments are also processed in real time, making it one of the fastest options available. One important thing to remember is that even after Elevate processes the payment, the receiving bank may take some extra time to fully credit the amount into the account. So overall, your first transaction in Elevate Pay can be instant, same day, or next business day, depending on the country and method you choose. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.